Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and garden lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: garden decoration with recycled pallets. It's a fantastic way to spruce up your outdoor space while being eco-friendly and creative. In this video, we're going to explore the benefits of recycling pallets, share some valuable tips on how to reuse them in your garden, and provide you with a bunch of awesome DIY ideas to transform your garden into a pallet paradise. So, let's dive right in. Let's start by talking about the numerous benefits of recycling pallets in your garden. Why should you choose pallets for your DIY garden projects? Well, here are some compelling reasons. Pallets are often discarded or left to waste in landfills, contributing to environmental pollution. By repurposing them, you're reducing waste and conserving resources. Pallets are usually free or can be acquired at a low cost. This means you can achieve stunning garden decor without breaking the bank. Pallets come in various sizes and can be easily customized to suit your garden's unique needs. You can create furniture, planters, and other decorative elements with them. The rustic charm of pallet wood adds a unique, cozy, and warm vibe to your garden, creating a welcoming and relaxing atmosphere. Working with pallets allows you to unleash your creativity and craftsmanship. You get to enjoy the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Now, let's move on to some essential tips on how to reuse pallets effectively in your garden. When choosing pallets, go for heat-treated, HT, or HT stamped pallets instead of chemically treated ones. These are safer for your garden as they don't contain harmful chemicals. Examine the pallets for loose nails, splinters, or any signs of damage. Ensure they're in good condition before starting your project. Clean your pallets thoroughly and sand them to remove rough edges and splinters. This will make them safer and more comfortable to work with. Consider sealing and painting the pallets to protect them from the elements. Use outdoor paint for a longer-lasting finish. Be mindful of where you'll place your pallet creations in the garden. Ensure they get enough sunlight and proper drainage, especially if you're using pallets for planting. Add wheels or casters to pallet-based furniture to make it easier to move around and reconfigure your garden layout. Alright, now that you're armed with all those tips, it's time to dive into some fantastic DIY pallet garden ideas. These projects will elevate your garden decor game and add that special touch of personality. Transform pallets into vertical gardens or raised beds by attaching plastic sheeting or landscape fabric to hold the soil. Plant flowers, herbs, or vegetables in the pallet openings for a stunning living wall. Lay pallet planks on the ground to build charming garden pathways. Fill the gaps with gravel, mulch, or ground cover plants for a visually appealing walkway. Turn a pallet into a vertical herb garden by attaching small pots or containers to the slats. This not only looks beautiful but also keeps your fresh herbs within arm's reach for cooking. Build a trellis for climbing plants like vines, peas, or beans. The pallet's natural grid pattern provides excellent support and a decorative element. Create an eco-friendly composting system by assembling pallets into a 3-bin compost structure. This is a fantastic way to reduce kitchen waste and enrich your garden soil. Elevate your potted plants by building multi-tiered plant stands from pallets. This not only showcases your plants but also saves space. Before we wrap up, it's essential to talk about safety and maintenance. Here are some quick tips. Always wear appropriate safety gear like gloves and safety glasses when working with pallets. Periodically check your pallet creations for wear and tear. Replace or repair any damaged parts to ensure safety. Depending on your project, you might need to reseal or repaint your pallet items every so often to keep them looking fresh and protected. Be mindful of pests that can make a home in your pallet projects, especially if you're using them for planting. Regularly inspect and take appropriate pest control measures. If you've already mastered the basics of pallet gardening, here are some advanced tips to take your projects to the next level. Consider staining your pallets to enhance their natural wood grain and color. This can add a touch of sophistication to your garden decor. Apply a weather-resistant finish like polyurethane to protect your pallets from the elements. This will make them last longer and maintain their beauty. Create a modular garden bed by using pallets with dividers. This allows you to plant different crops in separate sections and easily rotate or adjust the layout as needed. If you're feeling ambitious, use pallets to build a stunning pergola. This adds an elegant and shaded space to your garden, perfect for hosting gatherings or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon. Now, let's explore some specialty garden projects that can truly make your outdoor space stand out. Craft a spiral-shaped herb garden using pallets, creating different microclimates for various herbs. This not only looks captivating but also maximizes space and accessibility. For a grander project, consider building a pallet gazebo. This will become the centerpiece of your garden and provide a shaded area for relaxation or entertaining. Turn pallets into a charming and eco-friendly garden fence. Plant climbing vines or flowers along the fence to add a touch of color and texture to your garden perimeter. Create a relaxing pallet swing for the ultimate garden chill-out spot. Hang it from a sturdy tree branch or frame and enjoy the gentle sway on a lazy afternoon. Transform pallets into a mesmerizing garden fountain. The sound of flowing water adds a soothing element to your garden oasis. Build a raised pond with pallets for a unique water feature. Add aquatic plants and maybe even a few fish for an engaging and serene garden element. For those who want to go the extra mile, here are some expert tips and tricks for working with pallets in your garden. When connecting pallets for larger projects, use sturdy brackets, screws, and nails to ensure structural integrity. For added stability, reinforce joints with metal L-brackets or corner braces. If your project requires precise cuts, consider investing in a circular saw or reciprocating saw to make clean, accurate cuts. Measure twice and cut once to avoid wastage. For pallet planters, install a drip irrigation system to ensure your plants receive a consistent water supply. This saves you time and effort while keeping your garden lush and thriving. Don't forget to label your plants in your pallet planters. Use waterproof plant markers or paint the names directly onto the pallet for a tidy, organized garden. Now, let's discuss maintaining your pallet garden and making it more sustainable. Be mindful of your watering schedule to prevent overwatering or underwatering. Install a rain barrel to collect rainwater for irrigation, reducing your water consumption. Regularly replenish the soil in your pallet planters with compost or organic matter to keep it fertile. This ensures your plants remain healthy and productive. If you're growing edibles, practice crop rotation in your garden beds to prevent soil depletion and pest buildup. This sustainable technique keeps your garden thriving year after year. Embrace natural pest control methods to minimize the use of chemicals in your garden. Attract beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and bees to help keep pests in check. When embarking on new pallet projects, opt for reclaimed or recycled pallets to maintain your commitment to sustainability. Look for suppliers who follow eco-friendly practices. So there you have it, folks. Garden decoration with recycled pallets. Not only are you creating beautiful, unique garden decor, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly environment. Plus, it's a whole lot of fun. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your DIY-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting DIY and garden inspiration. And of course, if you have any questions or your own pallet garden projects to share, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and your gardens blooming. Happy DIYing, and see you soon!